welcome back to my channel. Okay, here we have another partial wig. This is how I measure it every time that I'm making my wig. I measure it this way just to make sure that the space that I want to cover hasn't changed. So I do this every time. So because this hair was synthetic hair that I got from my local beauty supply store, I decided to hot glue gun it to make the wig, which lasts longer and is pretty safe. You can wash it with the hot glue gun and all that stuff. So this is just another way you can make your wig. So once you're done, you want to get your braided hair and pretty much just customize it the way you like. So this part is optional, but if you want to add some flavor to your wig, I highly recommend getting some beads and some jewels and some strings, just whatever you want to dress it up. Don't be afraid. So the wig is done. This is what it looks like on the inside. And this how I pretty much put it on. Like I glue it on. If my hair is longer on the top, I clip them on. But lately I've been cutting my hair shorter. So I glue them on. I keep it on for like a couple days. That's pretty much it, guys. This lasts me for a couple days. Take it off. I have so much wigs, so I switch them out all the time.